Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Xbox app not working on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to click on the system tray. If Xbox app is running in the background, just right click on it and select exit it. After that, you just need to go to search menu and type to store. Comes up Microsoft Store, click on open it. In search, you just need to type Xbox and press enter. Just need to scroll down and select the Xbox app. If you have update option available, then you just need to select the update option. After updating it, you just need to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type Xbox. Right click on the Xbox app and select app settings. You just need to scroll down. Select the repair option. Select the reset option. After getting reset done, you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. You just need to scroll down to the bottom and find Xbox services. You just need to double click on it one by one and startup type set this to automatic and select apply and start the service. Do the same for other Xbox services listed over here. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to check my video description for this link. Select the download option and download the Xbox Identity Provider. Select to open Microsoft Store option. In my case, I already installed the Identity Provider. You just need to select the install option and install it guys. After getting installed done, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now check my video description for these commands. Just to copy and paste it one by one and press enter. Copy the second command and paste it and press enter. This will open up a Microsoft Store. Select the install option and install the gaming services. Select Yes. After getting installed, and you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.